Hello, friends, and welcome to this discussion. I hope that you are all doing well. In today's discussion, I will be answering the question on what is administrative processing for US visa and why is a US visa application placed in administrative processing state and how long does it take in that state. If you find this information useful, please consider subscribing if you've not done so for more and also in support of this channel. Whenever you submit a visa application, there are two possible outcomes when that application is completed and executed. The two outcomes are either it is issued by the consular officer interviewing you or it is refused if the consular officer establishes that the visa applicant is not eligible for that visa that they have applied for. So the visa officer is in the position of making a decision based on if you are able as an applicant to establish that you are eligible for the visa or not. But in some cases, the refused visa applications warrant further administrative processing. Therefore, when the administrative processing is required for your visa application, the consular officer will inform you as the visa applicant at the end of the interview that your visa application is put in the administrative processing state. And what this means is that your visa application is in temporary refused state. The visa officer is unable to make a final decision about your application. However, according to the department's procedures, a consular officer may determine that they need some additional information from either you to make the final decision on your eligibility for the visa. So if the information is from you, you will be asked to provide more documents, specific documents that will help them make the final decision. And if the information is not from you or it is from other sources other than the applicant, to help them establish your eligibility, then you will not know the exact reason as to why they have put your visa application in administrative processing. And this is because they are doing some background checks, and for security reasons, they will not expose the specific information they are checking to establish your eligibility. And about how long will the visa application be in administrative processing status, I would say the duration of the administrative processing varies based on your circumstances, the individual circumstances of each case. Therefore, you cannot have an exact time of how long it will take, and especially when you do not know what background checks they are doing. The best thing you can do is to constantly contact your consulate or the US Embassy and ask them to inform you about the progress. And this also will help them to remember your case in case they had forgotten it. Remember, they are human beings, and with a pile of so many other cases, it could be forgotten. So it's good to contact them regularly to ask about the progress. Therefore, it can take 1 week, it can take just a few days, or even up to 180 days. However, note that upon completion of the case specific administrative processing, the consular officer might conclude that you are still not eligible and therefore your visa could be refused. It is not given that it will be issued. Friends, I hope I have answered your questions to your satisfaction. If you found this information useful, please subscribe for more and in support of this channel. I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye.